people, Vice President General retired Dr. Konstantino Chiwenga was at National Foods Production Plant and Operations in Bulawayo, continuing his visible engagement with the key sectors of the economy. The visit, while officially framed as part of government's industrial oversight, has reignited a growing sentiment across political circles. It may be time for President Mnangagwa to pass the baton. VP Chiwenga's presence at National Foods is more than ceremonial. It reflects a leader who remains active, grounded, and connected to the pulse of national development. His military discipline, strategic mind, and resilience, even in the face of personal health battles, have kept him firmly in the public eye and in the corridors of power. Nsadabena mashoko tienda mberi pamusoro pari kuonekwa kuti VP Konstantino Chiwenga panguva ino aiwa his leading efforts panguva ino achinyatso sectors of the economy panguva ino zvoita kuti againe power political circles. Ndobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Tienda mberi mobuda nyogwa muchinzi. President Mnangagwa, now deep into his second term, faces mounting pressure to define his succession plan. While the constitution provides a framework, the political reality demands clarity, unity, and foresight. VP Chiwenga, with his liberation credentials and deep ties with the security establishment, stands as the most natural successor, a figure who commands respect across party structures and the civil service. The call for transition is not rooted in division, but in continuity. Zimbabwe needs a leader who understands the stakes, the sacrifices, and the system. VP Chiwenga is proven through both his role in the 2017 transition and his current vice presidential duties that he is not only capable but prepared. National Foods is a cornerstone of Zimbabwe's food security and industrial resilience. VP Chiwenga's role signals more than oversight. It is a message of readiness, a leader who shows up, listens, and engages even in the heart of the country's manufacturing belt, is one who understands the weight of governance across ZANU-PF and beyond. Whispers are turning into conversations. The question is no longer if VP Chiwenga will lead, but when. As the nation looks ahead of 2028 and beyond, the baton must be passed with dignity, strategy, and unity. Zimbabwe deserves a seamless transition, one that honors the past, stabilizes the present, and prepares for a future of disciplined leadership and national renewal. Ndo mashoko aripo muri Zimbabwe. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Mabvina comment section medu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.